Alright. Hey guys, this is episode 31. I am redoing episodes 31 through 35. So, yeah, I am currently hauling manure on the planted fields that I planted with Deutz Alice 9190. Sitting right back there in sitting right over there. So, doesn't make me too happy to know that yeah. So anyway, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the planter tank away. This tanker basically holds 6,056 gallons. So anyway, I'm gonna run this back to the shed, or I might just leave it out. No, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it out. It's a pain in the back in anyway, so just want a good place for it. Right here, right by the trees here. So yeah, we don't have anything else that we gotta put away, so as you guys saw, I have a Deutz Alice 9190 and a let's see here, and an 8410. So all the credit goes to Julian F. Modding for making the Deutz Alice 9100 series, and to J.A. Modding that made the 8000 series. This is perfect. And then for my season 4 map, I will be playing on MRG Mappings. What is it? His new American map that he's making for all platforms. So that map will be focused. Whoa. So that map will be focused on in season 3. Not in season 3. This map is focused on in season 3, the one I'm doing right now. So that map will be showcased in season 4. So when season 4 comes around, I don't know when I'll have season 4 ready to go, but well, the reason why I probably want to have season 4 ready is because the MRG might not have the map ready in time, especially for next year. So yeah, he hasn't made a couple videos in a while, which gets me thinking on what in the world it would come to. But otherwise I am going to be using this tractor for hauling grain. This tractor will be used for VTing as well, but it'll also be used for our double crops when we do like a double crop like sorghum or like soybeans, or a double crop of oats, barley, canola. That tractor will be used for those kinds of crops. Otherwise, the first crop will, the MX270 will, I'll use the MX270 on that wagon then. So, we're just getting things settled in. So, let's talk about the TLX 9000 Phoenix. That will be replacing this wagon out in the field, but I don't know. I think I might use that to haul grain. So I don't know. I may not use the IT runner thing or not, but the TLX 9000 Phoenix will probably be a nice semi to have on the farm, considering it looks old. Almost looks like a Ford 9000 truck. So yeah. But I don't know. Not much of the IT runner stuff is like American. So the only American thing on here, which I don't know if I'm even gonna get this or not, but the Load King tandem. So this little trailer right here is gonna be what the TLX 9000 Phoenix will use. So yeah, we're I don't know, you guys. We'll just have to wait and see how this all goes. Looks like the soybeans are coming out, and they're still growing. Jeez. So, we're having the shed door open. I should have kept that open, because I'm going to be getting the combine out for corn harvest. Well, not for corn harvest, for soybean harvest. And then, we're got the pickup truck hooked up to the to the header unit trailer, and then I just hope Emerging Mapping's American map comes soon, because this Rustic Acres thing is starting to get to be a little bit of a pain. I mean, yeah, there's a couple of other things that I've seen in my days, like having this VT going wonky. That's what I hate about this VT in the shed, is that it's always wonky, like it wants to push things and stuff, and I don't like that. Stupid VT. Why doesn't it stay? So, yeah, the 8410 will be pulling the VT. It'll be a nice setup to look at going when it's getting everything ready. Yeah, I got the 9510 out. 8400's ready to go. Ooh. Oh, ain't that just the prettiest tractor you've ever seen? Oh, man. I mean, when you look at it from this angle, it looks pretty small. When you get up in the cab of it, jeez, it looks big. And I mean, it does look nice on this wagon. I ain't gonna lie. I bet you some of you guys are gonna agree with me on that. But otherwise, yeah, ain't got much else to tell you. So, anyway, I'll see you guys episode 32.